In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive group. Now, if you're ready to dive in and start collaborating seamlessly with colleagues, friends, or family, here's how you can set it all up efficiently. First things first, you'll need to head over to Microsoft's official website. The link is available in the description below for your convenience. Once you're there, take note of the Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on that will direct you to the Sign In page, a necessary step to access your OneDrive account. If you're not already signed in, this is where you'll enter your email address, but make sure it's the email associated with your Microsoft account. After entering your email, click the Next button to proceed. Next up, it's time to enter your password. Now, it's crucial to ensure this password is secure, as it protects your Microsoft account. With the correct password input, click Next again, and you'll be prompted with a message about staying signed in. If you're on a personal, secure computer, opting Yes can make future logins smoother. But if you're using a shared or public device, it's safer to skip this step for security reasons. Once you're successfully signed in, navigate to the All Microsoft section. This area contains all the services and software Microsoft offers, including OneDrive. Locate and click on OneDrive, which will direct you to the OneDrive homepage. If prompted, sign in using your Microsoft account details. Now, you're all set to start creating your group. On the OneDrive homepage, look for the Add New option. This is your gateway to creating new files, folders, and most importantly, new groups. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. This folder will serve as the repository for all the files your group will work on. You can name this folder whatever you like, but for clarity, it's best to choose a name that represents your group's purpose. Once you've named your folder, click on Create. This action generates your new folder, which serves as the backbone of your OneDrive group. You'll see your newly created folder appear among your files. Click on it to open. With the folder open, navigate to the My Files option. Here is where all your documents and folders are stored, ensuring you're in the right place. Now, let's add members to your group. Click on the name of your group folder. Inside, you'll find an option to type in a highlight or a note. This can be useful for leaving instructions or important information for your group members. However, our focus now is on adding members. Look for the option to Share or Invite members. This is where you'll type in the email addresses of the people you wish to collaborate with. Once you've entered everyone's email, click Send. This action sends an invitation to each person, granting them access to the folder, and thus your OneDrive group. Just like that, you've successfully created a OneDrive group. Remember, the key to a productive OneDrive group lies in active participation and clear communication. Make sure to inform your group members about the group's purpose, and encourage them to upload and share relevant files. Happy collaborating!